Hey, Cam Jennings here. You might know me as the owner of Epic Conversions, or you might know me as the host of the One Step Away podcast. But listen, guys, I'm not really here to talk about that stuff right now. I have something really interesting I need to tell you about. On behalf of myself and my two colleagues, Jorge and Sid, I want to talk to you about one of the biggest problems online facing all of us right now. It spans all niches and affects everybody trying to do effective email marketing. And let's face it, we all understand that to have real success online, you need that email list. You need to be doing email marketing. From the lowliest beginner to the most advanced marketers, everyone is working on their list building and email marketing. Just ask companies like Walmart, Amazon, or even Apple and Spotify. They all are collecting email addresses because email works, but I told you there was a problem. From the lowliest beginner to the most advanced marketers, we are all facing this problem, and that is the problem of deliverability. People not even seeing your carefully crafted email messages because some dumb algorithm sends your email to a promotions tab or a spam box or a junk folder, all because you happened to put the wrong phrase in an email or use too many explanation points or some other trivial thing that triggers this robot to not get your messages to subscribers, and those subscribers signed up to receive your messages. It's outrageous, it affects us all, but now it's something we can fix. Oh, by the way, if you're out there right now and you're thinking, I don't even have a list yet, listen, keep listening, because we're gonna fix that problem for you too. But first, I wanna talk more about this deliverability problem and how we're going to help you solve it, because better email deliverability is going to help your business a lot. The software that I want you to seriously consider is called Inbox Equalizer. Now, you might notice that the box cover says send a perfect email every time. This software has a three-pronged strategy for making your emails the best version of themselves so that you are not triggering algorithms to send your messages to spam. But what are these three prongs? What is this strategy that is going to help your deliverability so much? Let's take a look inside of the software and I'll show you what I mean. First, Inbox Equalizer fixes your subject lines to make them compliant with the major EMS algorithms. It does this by analyzing and grading your existing subject line and then making recommendations so that you can get it just right. Let me show you. Okay guys, Cam here, and we are inside Inbox Equalizer right now. This is our dashboard, and what I want to show you is our first tool. It's the subject line analyzer. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. It's under subject line generator. It's got a lot of options here, but I just want to show you the basic one, right? So if I enter any subject line, I can use a subject line that I was getting ready to use for my email, and I enter it in here. Open this now, the most basic subject line. You can see in real time this software, Inbox Equalizer, is grading my subject line. It's giving this one a D. It's rating it at a 24. That's not very good, but more importantly, it's giving me advice on how to make it much better, right? Now we see the first problem is try to keep character length between 40 and 60 characters. My current character length is 13. Okay, so I can make this better by adding to it. So I can say open this now for the best traffic source. Now we see my score went down, but that's okay. What we do see is my character length is right, so we fixed that problem. Now the next problem is 0% of the characters are uppercase. So I can change this to uppercase and we see my score has went up. Open this now for the best traffic source. So I've fixed that. 2.4% of the characters are uppercase. Nice. Now is a possible spam word. Try to avoid it. So instead of saying open this now, maybe I can say open this immediately. And we can see by doing that, I've increased my score again up to a C. Now it's went to open. Open is a possible spam word. Try to avoid it. Maybe I'll switch open this immediate for the best traffic source to check this immediately for the best traffic source. Now I've increased my score to a B. It's at 74. Traffic is a possible spam word. Try to avoid it. So could I fix it by adding a period in here? It looks like I did. I just added one little symbol in there and it seemed like it fixed it, right? The character length is right. 1.9% of the characters are uppercase. Try using a symbol like question mark or exclamation point. Sometimes it's a good idea. So I can add an exclamation point right there, and it's boosted my subject line up to a 97%. Now the last one is try using numbers. Sometimes it's a good idea. So I can say check this one immediately for the best traffic source. Now this takes me to 100%. What I've done is I've made my subject line much more compliant and much more friendly with the algorithms that decide whether or not my emails go to spam or to the inbox. Second, Inbox Equalizer analyzes your actual email copy and points out potential problematic phrases, words, symbols, or anything else that might trigger the EMS algorithms to send your messages to spam. Okay guys, so here we are back inside the dashboard of Inbox Equalizer, and I want to show you the second prong of Inbox Equalizer's strategy to get your deliverability higher, to increase your open rates, and quite frankly to make you more money. Alright, the second thing is the content fixer, right? So if we go to content checker here, alright, we're going to find this. It does a few things, but the thing I want to show you that it does right now is really neat. And to show you, I'm going to go over to those poor unfortunate souls who ended up in my spam box, right? So if I go here, all these people ended up in my spam box. But let's check this one. How could this guy have made this better? Let's see. We're going to put this to the test. We're going to come over here and we're going to cut and paste it. And what Inbox Equalizer is going to do, it's really ingenious. What it's going to do is it's going to point out things that could have triggered this email to end up in spam. It's highlighting dear, it's highlighting paid, expire, cache. These are all things in this email that could have triggered the spam folder. Now look, all these red highlights, that's what matters with this software, and it's saying these words, these particular words, is part of the reason this email ended up in spam folder. Now you don't really have to do anything except hit this button right here, boom, and it automatically changes the email to be more compliant with the EMS algorithms, and it's going to land more of your emails in the inbox and out of the spam folder. And what did it do? It changed little things. Dear with all caps to lowercase with a dot with a period, right? It changed paid, it just put a little symbol in here. Instead of an I, it put a little symbol. It changed it to where it's not going to trigger the algorithm, because to the algorithm it doesn't say paid. But when people read this, they're still going to understand that that says paid, right? So this is quite ingenious, and what this is basically going to do is it's going to get your emails into more inboxes and more eyeballs on your messages, and that is part of what makes this software amazing. And third, Inbox Equalizer has a built-in database of swipe files, so that even if you are new or not feeling very creative, Inbox Equalizer will help give you a head start with a proven subject line and email for you to tweak as you see fit. Alright, now this is something that spans both of these pieces right here. So let's go. The first one is subject line generator. If we come over here, I don't have any ideas. I don't have any subject line. I just need some help. I can just hit preview, boom, and it'll fill in all these for me with the subject lines from the swipe file database. And you see they're all graded. So I can pick any one that I like, and I can work with the grade to get it to its best possible form. It can do a little bit more specific than that though. Let's say I need to use a specific word in the subject line. I can check this box, boom, and we see there's going to be room for a specific word in the subject line. Let's say I need to use a number, right? Fill in the blank with this. I'm going to put 23. Hit that button, boom. And we see all the subject lines are going to have the number 23 in them. Pretty cool. Now I can select multiple boxes. I can put use a number and ask a question. I'm not going to do that though. I'm just going to say ask a question. Boom. Subject lines are all going to be questions, right? So this is pretty cool. I can even type in a word up here, a keyword, and the subject lines will all have that keyword in it. Like I can type in marketing. boom. And then when I do that, the subject lines are going to have the word, it's going to pull back subject lines from the database that have the word marketing in them already. So it's really, really useful and helpful, especially if you don't have any ideas for good subject lines. Now let's move over to Content Checker. Now here's the Content Checker, and let's say we don't have any ideas what kind of email we're going to write. Well, guess what? I can just look for pre-made swipes that Inbox Equalizer has. I can pick Make Money Online, and I can choose a swipe, boom, and it automatically puts it in there. Pretty cool. And then I can adjust this to fit my promotion as I see fit. And it's got several different emails per niche. So this is a very, very useful aspect of Inbox Equalizer, because if you are having a creative block, you don't even know where to begin when it comes to writing subject lines, you don't even know where to begin when it comes to writing an email that'll make you money or that'll work for you for a promotion, this thing can give you that head start with these swipe files that are already proven to work. This three-pronged attack of Inbox Equalizer is awesome, and it can help you tremendously. I don't care if you're a beginner, I don't care if you're an advanced email marketer, this is a very useful tool. There is nothing on the market like this today, and to be honest with you, it's a massive game changer. Inbox Equalizer's three-pronged strategy is going to help you write better emails that don't land your messages in promotion tabs and spam boxes. This is going to get more eyeballs on your emails, but also, as you land in more inboxes, it's going to increase your reputation with the email service providers. And ultimately, it's going to make you more money from sales through email. Because at the end of the day, no matter how much you might want to help people, your business needs to make money. Higher email open rates and deliverability can help you make that happen. Now, about you folks who don't have an email list yet, Inbox Equalizer comes with some really excellent training that is going to teach you several proven methods of list building that will get you started quickly and effectively. On top of that, there is training in there on email marketing as well, so that you can become a better email marketer, and that is important because as you probably saw when we looked in the software, the better you are at writing good emails, the more powerful this software becomes. You see, the software can handle getting your emails through the algorithms to the inbox and avoiding those nasty promotion tabs and junk folders. The built-in swipe file database, of course, can help you with your emails, but I don't have to tell you that nothing takes the place of experience and practice. So as good as Inbox Equalizer is, this training has been included to make you and the software even better. I want you to invest in this software today because as a professional email marketer who has made hundreds of thousands of dollars online with email, I know this software will help you. And yes, that is a bold statement in a world of garbage softwares and useless training that look more like dumpster fires than solutions, but this is the truth. That's my profile on a platform that I promote and sell on. As you can see, I'm an elite vendor, and as you can see, I have over 10,000 sales. But underneath that 10,000 sales, I want you to see that 4.5-star rating, okay? That's 124 people who have rated me very, very high as a vendor. I am an honorable vendor, I am an ethical vendor, and I will not sell you crap. This is an amazing piece of software. I have the proof of my record to back it up. When you pick up Inbox Equalizer today, you are going to be getting instant access to the powerful Inbox Equalizer software and a strategic three-pronged attack so you can effortlessly create better and more compliant emails in mere moments. High quality training provided on just how to build an efficient email list quickly so that even if you are new, you can take advantage of this game-changing tool. Inbox Equalizer's unique color-coded subject line rating system so that you can get your subject line graded in real time and be told exactly what to do to fix them. Inbox Equalizer's distinctive content fixer technology so that you can find out exactly what needs changed in your emails and have it changed for you with the touch of a button. Inbox Equalizer's built-in swipe file database complete with 1,000 proven subject lines and 100 proven email swipes spanning 10 different niches, all customizable, all ready to rock and roll so that it's even easier to get your perfect emails out to your list and lifetime access to all of it. That's right, no monthly fees on this one-of-a-kind software. But we're not stopping there. Bonus number 1, we're also going to reveal my new online wealth formula, which will show you exactly how to access over 11 million visitors a month. Not only that, but you're going to discover how to start a blog, a podcast, and an email list for free. This is a special training that retails for $47 alone. However, when you invest in the Inbox Equalizer today, this special training is included with your purchase as a unique and congruent bonus. Another way of us saying thank you for your investment. With Inbox Equalizer, no more slogging for hours at the keyboard trying to write the perfect email, wondering why your messages are ending up in the spam folder constantly. Forget sitting around like a big old loser, unable to build a responsive email list. Those days are over. Plus, bonus number 2, my friend, there is no greater lead in the world than the coveted buyer email lead. It is the holy grail of email marketing. With this 6-part video training called Lion Leads, Sid Red is going to expose the exact way that you can start building your coveted email list of white-hot buyers leads. Be sure to turn off all notifications and distractions and take notes while watching the videos. Putting into practice what you've learned here will be well worth your time and attention. Time to drop all the guesswork you put into figuring out what those nasty little algorithms want in your emails to land in the highly desirable inbox. Those algorithms are about to bow down to your greatness. Never again will you question how to fix your email copy. Your days of being confused and unsure are through. Plus, bonus number 3, Jorge is going to teach you how to master YouTube with one of the best online video tools out there. Sharpen your accuracy and save your time. The title, the description, and the meta tags are some of the most important things to take care of when you're uploading a new video to your channel. Jacking Master is going to help you get the perfect combination of these each and every time. Get the most out of your uploads with this top-notch system to explode the SEO reach of your videos. You've stared at your last empty page with the bitter taste of writer's block breathing down your neck like some fire-breathing dragon come to torch you to a crisp. Now, it's time to start building healthy, highly responsive, seriously engaged email lists. Just like the pros do, this is the great equalizer, the essential tool that's going to level the playing field for you. Not only that, but we have also taken the liberty of removing all the risk for you. That's right. Use the Inbox Equalizer software and training for 60 days as taught, and if you do not see results, contact us for a full refund. All that we ask is that you have actually used the training and software as directed. Look, I'm so confident in this product that if you don't find it to be amazing, you're not 100% satisfied with your results after spending 60 days with it, then we will gladly refund your money. Invest with confidence. The software is groundbreaking. The training is awesome. The bonuses are stacked and the guarantee is amazing. This is cloud-based, so you can use it with any computer, even mobile devices. We could have charged $197 for this software and probably should have. We could have charged a monthly recurring fee to access this cloud-based software and probably should have. We could have done a lot of things, but that's not how we wanted to approach this. It's important that Inbox Equalizer gets into the hands of anybody who wants to be a better email marketer. So not $197, not $97, not 67, not even 47, and yeah, that was a tough one to let go of, but we did it, and you are going to get Inbox Equalizer for the low price that you see below. We are experimenting with our price structure. I cannot promise how long it will remain that price. What I can tell you is that we are launching it at an unheard of $17 for the first 4 days. It's a launch week special. After that, we will raise the price to $27 for a bit as we test our prices, but the bottom line is the absolute best thing you can do when it comes to a rock bottom price is to not hesitate and invest in Inbox Equalizer today. Initiate the Inbox Equalizer and I'll see you inside. Wait, are you still here? Well, you know, I've run out of black slides and I'm down to not so funny dad jokes, so the hour is getting late, my friend. But listen, I understand what it is to be on the fence with something. After all, we've all been burned by those crazy online schemes or the many trash pile softwares out there that just do not deliver. I get it. However, my friend, the fact of the matter is you are standing at a crossroads right now. A choice lies before you. Down one path You leave this page and forget you ever learned about Inbox Equalizer and the power it can give you. Life goes on the way it has gone. Your email marketing is still lackluster and you still continue to get the same poor results in the inbox. You know what lies down that road. You've been there before. I suppose there is a comfort in the familiar, but that's not what you want. It's the hollow compromise that grips so many people. My friend, there is another path, a better new way. You can invest in this groundbreaking software today. Take advantage of this amazing offer with all of its tech power and training and bonuses and guarantee, and you can finally start seeing success like all of the professionals out there, like all the gurus and the videos and courses you watch. It's time for the new path, my friend. Let's do this. Access Inbox Equalizer and we'll see you inside.